Google Docs also has the ability to add in special characters, and this is a really nice feature with the Google Docs that you can do an insert, and you've got the special characters option. So this will pop up the special characters window, and from here you've got an option to select all of these special characters. You've got an option for the different types of arrows and different types of characters that you could expect. And then also another really neat one is that they have the ability to draw a symbol and it will return back all the possible options. So let's say, for instance, you want an arrow. Let's see what it returns back. And it returns back all of the ones that are matching within that pattern. You can also update this, and if you, let's say you want it along a line, so there's some options for lines, so you can do the dashed ones, you can do the low line, you can do these lines. So there's a number of different lines here that you can create. So let's say you want it to create a bunch of low lines, and the low lines together can create this type of underline effect. There's also the different lines, so there's these ones come out dashed, there's a heavy dash. So there's a lot of different options for characters, and the nice thing about it is if you can't remember the character, you can always draw the character and it will return back something similar to what is within your drawing. So that's within the insert special characters, and then you get this pop-up window that allows you to insert those special characters into your doc.